Tuesday, August 5th, Seaside Park Ocean updates. Water temperature 73.4. We have a low tide coming up at 11 o'clock. Wind is west this morning, supposed to go west, northeast, and south today. Waves are looking a little smaller than yesterday, but really fun. Maybe 3 foot, occasionally 3.5. Oh yeah, tide's a little high this morning, but it should get, better in a half hour to an hour as the tide drops. Minimal flies this morning. Flag should be yellow again today. Oh yeah. We are officially on a surf bender. Yeah, I would say it's like 3 to 3.5 foot, maybe occasionally 4 foot. Yeah, there's 4 foot. Anyways, that's the update. I hope everybody has a great Tuesday.